He should have told the truth. He should have told the truth. They should have left earlier. They should have left earlier. She must have left her phone at home. She must have left her phone at home. It must have rained last night. It must have rained last night. I should have finished my homework. I should have finished my homework. We should have called them yesterday. We should have called them yesterday. He must have forgotten the meeting. He must have forgotten the meeting. She should have worn a jacket. She should have worn a jacket. They must have missed the bus. They must have missed the bus. I should have listened to you. I should have listened to you. He should have cleaned his room. He should have cleaned his room. She must have taken the wrong train. She must have taken the wrong train. We should have started earlier. We should have started earlier. They should have invited us. They should have invited us. He must have lost his keys. He must have lost his keys. I should have saved more money. I should have saved more money. She should have checked the time. She should have checked the time. They must have gone home already. They must have gone home already. He should have brought his book. He should have brought his book. We must have made a mistake. We must have made a mistake. I should have studied harder. I should have studied harder. She must have seen the message. She must have seen the message. They should have followed the rules. They should have followed the rules. He must have eaten all the food. He must have eaten all the food. I should have taken an umbrella. I should have taken an umbrella. She should have locked the door. She should have locked the door. They must have heard the noise. They must have heard the noise. We should have planned better. We should have planned better. He should have asked for help. He should have asked for help.